Alright, today let's factorize this quadratic expression where the coefficient of x squared isn't it 1, and we will solve it in a way you probably didn't learn at school. Okay, let's do this. First take 2 and multiply it by negative 80. Now we will rewrite the expression as x square minus 27x minus 160. The next step is we are going to factorize it. So we are looking for something like x plus something multiplied by x minus something. Since the last number is negative, one of these will be positive and the other will be negative. Okay. To figure out what goes in the brackets, we are going to use the usual trick. Find two numbers that multiply to negative 160 and add up to negative 27. Right. Let's list the pairs that multiply to 160. 2 and 80. 5 multiplied by 32. 8 multiplied by 20. 10 multiplied by 16. So which of these pairs have a difference of 27? 5 and 32. Remember, we want the product to be negative 160. So one number has to be negative and the other positive. The second number is here negative 27. So we will take the bigger number as negative. So negative 32 multiplied by positive 5. You get negative 160. When you add, you get negative 32 plus 5 is negative 27. So x plus 5 and x minus 32. Remember, we multiplied by 2 at the start. Now we have to undo that by dividing the number by 2. So x minus 32 divided by 2 is 16. After simplifying, we got this. Now take the denominator and multiply it by x, which gives 2x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 16. And this is the final answer. Let's do one more example. 5x square plus x minus 18. Take 5 and multiply by negative 18, which gives negative 90. Now rewrite the expression as x square plus x minus 90. Let's factorize this. Since the last term is negative and the second term is positive, one will be positive, another will be negative. So the bigger number will be positive because the second term here is positive, and the smaller one will be negative. To figure out what goes in the bracket, we will use the usual trick, that is finding the two numbers that multiply to negative 90 and add up to positive 1. Right, let's list the pairs that multiply to 90. 1 multiplied by 90, 2 multiplied by 45, 3 multiplied by 30, 5 multiplied by 18, and 6 multiplied by 15, then 9 multiplied by 10. So which of these pairs have a difference of 1? 9 and 10. The bigger number is positive and the smaller number is negative. Ten multiplied by negative 9 is negative 90, and when you add you get positive 1. So x plus 10, x minus 9. Now undo the multiplication we did earlier by dividing by the same number, that is 5. So x plus 10 divided by 5 is 2, multiplied by x minus 9 over 5. Now multiply the x by 5. So we get x plus 2 multiplied by 5x minus 9. This is the final answer. Try this question and share your answer in the comment section.